If you've ever had a baby or an injury down there, you know how important a sitz bath is. And if you are about to have a baby, you need to know how important a sitz bath is. I was sent this one to review from Pochik. It's a sitz bath to help relieve hemorrhoids and postpartum care. It says it fits most standard toilets, so let's take it out, show you how it works, and pop it on my toilet to test it out. There we go. Super basic, but so important in healing. If you don't know how to use it, don't worry, it comes with an instruction guide. Even has visuals here to help. When you first get it, you're gonna remove this. And then this tube is gonna go down this hole and then right back in that hole. Then you're going to pop on your suction cup. This can be suctioned anywhere within here that you need it. If you need it right in the middle, if you need it in the front, in the back, anywhere that you need it, as long as it's clean and dry, it's just gonna suction really nicely. And you can kind of have it there to be secure. So there we go. And then this is just right coming out here. You're gonna be seated next to it and then you can just squeeze. You gotta push here. See how it pops out at the bottom? So now that's going to be nice and deep. I have an elongated color gleam here. I'm gonna sit it on there. You can see how that fits very nicely. You do need to make sure that little bit is covered because the liquid's gotta go in there in order to spray up. Make sure you put enough in there. And then you would sit on here. And you can really shoot it, or you can just barely do it, depending on how sensitive. Woo! So there you go. Of course, if you're sitting here, you're not gonna make a mess here. It's all gonna just stay in here, wash you out, clean you out, treat the area. It's amazing. And then when you're done, you can just dump it like this. So easy. And then if you wanna go like real fast, boom, amazing.